minute I stepped in the Ark, it was lovely. Challenging, different people, with a tutor and these computers in front of you. And we started off very basically.
She's come here to do adult education and set up Crafty Friends group, and encourages all her friends to come along as well.
The three big things in my life are, as far as the Ark is concerned, the computer classes, the ITs, cameras and all that. Then there's the Crafty Friends, where you're working and learning with the children. And then there's Tai-chi, where I'm learning to get my balance and self-confidence back. And all of them, you meet new friends all the time.
She's got so much time to give to everybody. It doesn't matter what age they are. We've got young kids that come in, and she will guide them and hopefully sort of set them on the right road to follow.
With the children today, everything's so instant. I mean, they come in and they say, "Can I knit a jumper today?" I said, well, it all starts with one stitch. And that's what I'm learning from them, is that I can teach them perhaps patience.
She keeps learning new things and passing her skills on to everybody else, and it benefits her with, you know, keeping in contact with her family, with the work that she does with the church.
Now I'm learning to live in the present moment, which is a big part of our Tai-chi teaching. Living for the now, so the past is gone, the future hasn't come, so why worry about anything?
Congratulations, Sybil, you deserve to win, and good luck, and keep on learning. As we've said in the Ark, it's never too late to learn. Well done.
It's good for, I feel, it's not me, but it represents my generation, because we're still alive and kicking, and I think it's great. I really think it's great.